Exciting news. Just came back from my shopping spree and look what I got. A belt clamp from the Australian company named Sedy. And according to the description I see on Amazon, that clamp is a must-have for any woodwork enthusiast. So we give it a try. The build quality is not shabby, and the clamp comes along with a rubberized handle. Very nice. We got our BS alarm ready in case of an emergency.
That was bullshit.
All right, let's roll. Hey, that works, man. That belt clamp seems to be a good choice for assembling lightweight frames. That applies to our frame with a width around 22.5 inch. Lil side note for the removable plastic corners. They ain't got no rubber pads, and that means if you play that clamping game a bit too hard, the corner's gonna slip off, so be gentle and you can frame like a boss. Let's call it a day, and it's time for a bubble bath. You may want to check our other content out. It's worth watching.